Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Santiago. Today we're going about another software for video creation. This software is called Nim AI. This is a video generation tool that combines third-party models such as VO2, Kling Pro, Luma and Pika to create high-quality short-format videos. It is designed around simplicity, so it's really easy to get a handle of how to use it. I'm gonna make a multi-part video regarding this software. I'm using one of the paid plans. I have some credits that I paid for. If you want to use one of these paid plans as well, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you to use. Today we're just gonna check out some of the basic functions of the software. I'm gonna go about creating a short video. After creating some images, we're gonna create everything inside Nim AI. So without further ado, I'm gonna make my face disappear so you can see my screen better, and I'll see you guys in the end. So this is Nim's homepage. I haven't created anything yet, so there are no projects or creations on this part. On the top, we are on the Create tab. There is a Tools tab as well if you want to use some of these tools. For example, if you want to restylize a video, if you want to make a video slow motion, if you want to upscale it, and so on. There is also an Explore tab where you can explore videos that were created using Nim AI. And we have the user that created it on the top right here. For example, we can check out this short video that was created with Nim AI.
Karashi is the Japanese art of creating your ideal way of life, cherishing what matters, sparking joy, and making meaningful choices each day.
As you see, all the images, the audio, and everything was created inside of Nim. That is what we're going to be doing today. I'm gonna go back to the Create page. We have three options that we can pick from. We can pick from story, we can pick from video, and we can pick from image. First of all, we're gonna create some images that we can use in one of the videos. We can create, for example, a couple of characters and a couple of backgrounds so we can use them afterwards in the video part. Once we have our prompt, we can rewrite it using this tool right here. So the AI describes it a bit more in detail. And if we click on generate, the software takes a couple of seconds to create the image. So this is the image that the software creates with this description. If we click these three dots right here, we can download it. We can move it to different folders that we've created in the software. We can copy it, or we can add it to a showreel. I want to create another character that is a dog, something like this, a dog character with jeans. And if I rewrite it, the software creates this other prompt. So this would be our two characters. Now let's create some backgrounds, just a forest background, such as this one. And we can create, for example, another background, a city background. So this would be our two backgrounds and our two characters. If we go to these three dots right here and we click add to showreel, we can add the images to a showreel like the instruction says. And if we click right here on this option that says showreel, the software is gonna add the images together like a short video. And once we've created our pictures, we can go once again to the video option. If we click on any of the images, and we click right here on image to video, we can create a little animation. If we click on generate, the software added the same prompt that it used to create the image. So let's see what it does creating a little video out of it. So this is the little video that the software created using the prompt. It's just 5 seconds long and it doesn't have audio, but we could add sound using this option right here as well. Before we do that, let's go back to the create tool and let's animate this other character as well. Clicking the image to video option, let's generate it as well and just wait a couple of seconds for the software to render it. So this is the other video that the software created with the cat. As you see, it's a magical cat. He's shooting spells out of his paws. And we can do the same with the background. We can animate this image as well, for example. And on the bottom right here, we have some other variations that other users have created if we want to use them as well. Once again, I'm gonna click image to video and generate this background. Right here we can see that since we didn't give any further instructions to the background just moves a bit with the leaves, as you see right here on the top, but the movement is really subtle. If we want more movement, we can describe it in another prompt, but I think this would be usable. So if we go back to our show reel, we can remove these ones that were static and we can add the new ones that are in video form. We can add this one to the Showreel, this one as well, and this other one. And if we go inside of the images, we can add sounds. We can describe the sound that we want. Forest sound would be the one for this image. So let's see the new background with the sound. The software understands very well what I wanted to create. It added forest sounds very well. If we go to one of these images, we can do the same. We can add sound, or we can even add lip sync. Dog prancing in the grass would be something like what we're going for. And if we click on generate, it's going to take a couple of seconds to add the audio as well. So this is the video with the audio. It's just a dog running in the grass. It did it really well. If we go to the cat video, we can add sound once again. We can write wizard cat shooting spells and click on generate. As you see, it even adds the audio specifically in the part of the video where the cat is shooting the spells. So we can go back to the showreel. We are gonna remove these ones from the showreel once again because these are the ones that don't have audio. We go to create, we can add the ones that do have audio, and we can stitch them together in the showreel like that. That's pretty much how you use the basic functions of Nim Video. As you saw, creating images with a prompt is really easy, and creating videos out of those images as well is really easy. You can even add audio and stitch those clips together to create a little short video. On some of the upcoming videos, we're gonna be checking out some other tools that the software has, but as you see, it's really easy to use. It's really easy to get a handle of how to use the prompts, how to add audio, how to add images, and how to use the basic tools. We took just like 10 minutes to create a really short video with some animals in a forest. As I told you in the beginning, this is one of the paid plans of Nim Video. There are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you to use if you want to use these tools as well. I really invite you to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out any of the videos that we're gonna be creating regarding Nim Video and other softwares. My name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you saw this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.